It's time. Move on to another equally disgusting... Oh, that's a good... Oh, God. Oh, dear God. Anything but that. No. No, I won't. No. You can't make me stay in this recording booth. I demand that you unstrap me from this chair and take toothpicks propping open my eyelids out of my eyelids. No. Look at it. Look at this horrible cocoon, this horrible pot. Oh, God, look at it. Look at its hair. Look at the hair on its legs, used to scare things away, because it's so ugly and creepy. Jesus fucking Christ, would you check out those mandibles? Look at those. It's like, are those two giant teeth? What Dracula hellspawn is this? It's got 4 eyes, if you can even call them that. It just wiggles its mandibles. Its hairy, vile mandibles. Back and forth. As if to taunt us, as if to taunt us that no, there is no God, but there most certainly is a devil. My God, its eggs are hatching. There are hundreds and hundreds of smaller versions of that thing swarming around. I'm going to throw up. I'm just going to throw up right here. Ah. Ah. That's how you vomit in a David Attenbearough accent. There are black ones and pink ones. Make no mistake, all of them are absolutely vile. Behold, as it devours its brother or sister. Can't imagine the human conception of sex even applies to this horrid alien creature. Something else entirely. Please don't cancel me on Twitter or intersex erasure. Spider baby does whatever a spider baby can. And I, for one, think we should kill it with fire. Now it's learning to spin one of the repulsive webs not unlike its own mother has used to make this cigar-shaped spider lair. ever you should happen across such a thing, going for a walk, or God forbid, in your own home, remember that this is what spider lair looks like, that you can pull out a cigarette lighter and light it up like a fag. Kill them all with fire. Kill it with fire. I think it's dead. No, it just moved, unfortunately. Yuck. Is it dead? Is it dying? I hope it is. Oh my God, it's a swarm. It's a swarm of them. Good God, there are countless numbers of them. It's so horrible. Look at them all over the place. I can't even right now. I literally can't even. Look at it, king of gross spider egg mountain. It must feel really good. Much better than I'm feeling being subjected to this absolutely chilling display of the horrors of the natural world. These are also known as jumping spiders because, good God in heaven, imagine that, the fucking things can jump. Hold the exterior of the spider lair. Should you come across one of these, smoke it like the blunt it looks like. Just don't put it in your mouth. Yuck, the very idea. I'm throwing up in my mouth right now. But do set it on fire like a fat spliffy. I'm literally in hell right now. This is what hell is for me. Hell is everything outside my very sterile house. And we're back into the gross cocoon of giant hairy pink spider. Look at the eggs of the spider. Ew. Gross. My God, it's about to escape its eggy prison. Look at it, it's so disgusting. Look at its little legs move. How absolutely vile. Look how far these little things can jump. Absolutely horrifying. Now it's going to join the swarm of other equally disgusting little baby spiders. Imagine them swarming all over your body, eating your eyeballs, biting you all over. Truly, nature is hell. It's crawling all over its mother's equally disgusting face. Actually, she's much more horrifying. I take that back. Look, she has, your mother might have said she had eyes on the back of her head. This mother spider really does. Dear God, look at it. Absolutely terrifying. I hope the one eats the other. Come, mother, eat your child before child eats you. Fucking spiders, you know one thing or the other is coming down the pipe. Don't let the adorable music cues fool you. This fight is going hot and heavy. This is two nightmare creatures locked in an epic struggle for the right sap you of your very sanity. Look at it hop like a much more adorable bunny rabbit. Already figured this out without the tutorial. Look at it crawling around on its mother's horrible, absolutely alien, profane, obscene backside. Have you ever seen anything more disgusting in your life? Nature is a horror.